So today we're going to unboxing. I don't know what it is. I order a lot lately, so let bear with me. I don't have my unboxing knife with me too, so yeah, we just use the pen, ejector pen. So it's going to be very loud and not practical. And I don't like what I'm doing, but it works. So okay, what it is, why it packed in like that. Okay. Bear with me, okay? Bear with me. So what is this? Okay, I remember it now. So this is I waiting for. I bought it for review with iOS 19 released in June, and the packaging is crazy. The packaging is crazy. Yeah, this is it, guys. I'm waiting for this for too long, so this is it. iPhone 3GS, the white one. Have battery? No? Okay, it have battery. So this is the white iPhone 3G or 3GS, I don't remember, but in a very good condition, and I'm so happy that I bought it. So hope it's not locked or something like that. And the front is completely fake. I think it's a fake screen because it shows the sensor. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful. See, beautiful. This is what I've been waiting for. That's the normal time that old phone turn on, so all in Chinese. I think this is iPhone 3G, not 3GS. It will run iOS 4. Yeah, I'm right, so I'm gonna change it too. I don't remember where to change the language because it's all Chinese. This one? This one? No? How about this one? Okay, here it is. English. Change. So this is iPhone 3G in white. Very rare device, and I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. I think this bag also fake, but get a job done. Okay. No SIM card, I know. Yeah. So this one gonna compare with iPhone 17 Air or something like that. Cool.